If you have a Happy Embroidery Machine, be sure you have this kind of tubular hoops in your hands. In order to get the correct hoop length, you just need to use the tape measure and measure it like this. You see, this Happy hoop, the length is 355 millimeter, that means 14 inch. When you measure the hoop, the dimension you get may be 1 or 2 millimeter different from what we listed on catalog or online store. That doesn't matter. It may be caused by measuring method. This small variety doesn't affect the fit on the embroidery machine after you receive the MaggieFrames. The Happy embroidery hoops normally have two kinds of hoop lengths. They are 355 millimeter, that means 14 inch, and 495 millimeter, that means 19.5 inch. When you buy the MaggieFrame, you just choose the hoop length, which is same as the one in your hands, and choose your favorite MaggieFrame size is okay, and then you will get what you expected.